Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to be showing you all how to make a TikTok and how to actually get started with posting your own content. You're probably all asking yourselves, well, how do I make a video on this app? I've never done this before. Well, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. I'm about to show you how to make a TikTok video. So the first thing you want to do is just open up the app TikTok. Then you go to the search bar and look up whatever it is you want to look up. In this case, I'm looking up a dance to do. After looking this up, many videos will be there to choose from, including this dance, Renegade, which I will be doing today. You then just want to set a timer before doing the dance and start your countdown. Here is me doing the dance Renegade, which is probably the most popular dance on TikTok. After that, you have the option from choosing many filters. My favorite filter is called Brew. It makes the video very vibrant. You can also add different stickers, and you can write something in the text box. After that, you click Next and write a caption and add however many hashtags you want. Then you click Post and you're set. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and now you are set to post to TikTok.